Now I've got my new Ford Edge organized. The trunk. I guess you call this a trunk or storage area. Got my emergency little rack here of emergency stuff on the road, just in case something happens. I didn't use this at all on the Fusion, but you got it anyway. And then I've got two bins here for groceries, because I do not like putting my groceries, the bags, on this here and then have a jar bust and spill all over this carpeting. So I put it in here and that organizes it. Finished. Now I'm ready to travel. And I only carry one bag on the road, a small carry-on. Fits right in here when I'm on the road.